I really like what we do at Spotsee. We are able to help our customers reduce shipping damage, and shipping damage is a significant problem globally. And we do it through, I think, very innovative and interesting ways.
I don't think you'll find a more fun business to be a part of, to be honest. We're naturally curious. We do a lot of great things, whether it's, helping the labels on your beer bottle change color, or NHL hockey pucks that change color to let players know that they've got the best puck that's gliding across the ice in the right way, to telling railroad engineers that bearings are overheated.
It's really neat to see our products in a top racing league around the world, tracking components and parts to make sure they're racing at their best, as well as tracking equipment around the globe.
Aerospace, power generation, a significant amount of oil and gas equipment. We'll even do things like high-value shipments of artwork.
Whether it's pharmaceuticals that are traveling through a supply chain, or diagnostics as the specimens are moving back and forth. If we don't do our job right, or if our products aren't utilized, people can actually get hurt.
Being able to say that we help you deliver with confidence is really exciting, because we know that your products are delivered in the condition in which they need to be delivered so that they're effective.
Every great company has their muscle, right? For Spotsee, our muscle is how do we take and detect a condition simple and low-cost way. That's our superpower. When we come in and we look to solve a problem very different than a traditional engineer, our team looks at it from what we would say is a 360-degree angle. We look at materials that are recyclable, that aren't catastrophic, I would say, to the environment. We're going to be the best return on your investment because of the total cost of material in our products.
One of the most exciting projects that I've been a part of since I've been at Spotsee is one that we've been working on recently, which is the OneMark QR. I think it's a very elegant way to solve a problem and to connect one of our visual indicators.
The OneMark QR is based off of the OneMark design, which has been around for 30+ years at this point. It's a proven technology. It's trusted in many cold chains around the world. A melt chemical resides in a reservoir at the top of the tag, and when time and temperature is just right, and there's a certain combination of that, it will run into a visual window and alert a user that there's been an excursion above a certain time and temperature.
But then we added this connectivity piece, right? Because the environmental sensor is traveling with whatever products it's associated with through the supply chain, and ends up, with an end user that is receiving the product. And along the path, you are interested in knowing whether the product is still good.
When someone scans a OneMark QR or any of our QR-based products that are coming out here in the near future, the company that has procured that sensor can now see in real time whether or not it arrived in the right condition. Irrefutable proof. We're able to bring information about the condition of those packages back in and through the supply chain. We can process using tools like AI and then help our customers identify where the real pain points are in their supply chain, and even modify and adjust in real time. It's as immediate as a text to your phone.
As a data-driven person, I'm really excited about our OneMark QR. With this new product, we're going to be able to collect data from not only the patient, but also the shipper, so that we can see and confirm that medications have been shipped at the proper temperature.
For us, OneMark QR is just the beginning. We've got a number of different types of conditions to sense, a number of different products. This is the first of many different sensors in our portfolio that we'll be connecting using this unique patented technology.
We've got thousands of sensors on a real-time basis that are reporting temperature, humidity, and impacts in almost any country in the world that you can imagine.
We have a great portfolio of shock products used to measure impact on anything from glass to fragile artwork to spaceships used all around the world. You never think about it, but tilt is really important when shipping products. Things like refrigerators or fragile glass can be completely ruined by the wrong amount of tilt. And with a simple sensor from Spotsee, you can prevent that.
When you combine a ShockLog 298 and the ShockLog Cellular GL. You're able to monitor an entire journey, and you're able to communicate immediately to the stakeholders to let you know that a damaging impact potentially has occurred. But also that data will go immediately to the Spotsee cloud. And so you'll be able to see when and where that damaging impact occurred and really drill down to even look at that at street level. Our new device will be a 4G LTE, but it will also have 3G and 2G backups to be able to communicate really everywhere across the globe. Our devices will be able to communicate via Wi-Fi and send messages via Wi-Fi. So if the device happens to be in a place where cellular connectivity is limited, then you can connect via Wi-Fi network.
It's something that really hasn't been able to be widely implemented in cold chains or even just regular supply chains around the world.
Spotsee is a great place to work. The culture is amazing, and we all just work together to create solutions that help our customers. It's crazy to think that I get the opportunity to help develop products based on customer feedback. I never thought I would have that opportunity as a marketing person, but I do, and it's fantastic.
I love the team here. We got fabulous product teams that go in, figure out what are the user requirements. Very strong teams that get the fundamental technology right. Engineers on the electrical, mechanical side. We've got PhD chemists. We can do almost anything.
There's a lot of testing involved and quality, making sure everything's right for the customer. The temperature gauges we do, the forehead thermometers, making sure everything was correct and everyone's healthy around the world.
When you talk to people and you mention the type of products that we make, they do actually realise that it touches our lives in some way.
I mean, I love working with everybody here and very proud to work for a company that makes these products that can ultimately save lives.
What attracted me to work at Spotsee? Improving patient care. That's the reason why I wake up every day.
We've always thrived on the fact that we're long-term employees and you get to know the company, understand the company. We're consistent and reliable.
To see our product go and then be used and be useful to so many people, that's an incentive for us.
I literally on a daily basis work with these people all over the world, in the UK, in Chicago, in Mexico, in France. They're literally all over the world, but each one of them is absolutely critical.
I think it's important to leave people with the fact that Spotsee is here to be a partner. We have technologies, fully formed products that we're selling all over the world, but our real strength lies in partnership.